Closures are usually explained with a lot of theory. We are not doing that. Today we'll understand closures by watching what the code actually does. This function already finished running. So why does this number keep increasing? Where is the count even coming from? The outer function is gone, but the inner function still remembers something. That's suspicious. When a function is created, JavaScript secretly packs a backpack for it. Anything it uses goes inside. Every time you create a function, it gets its own private memory. Same code, different memories. Think of it like leaving a note with someone. Even if you walk away, they still have the note. That memory is what people call a closure. Not magic, just memory. This is why event handlers, hooks, and callbacks work the way they do. Closures keep data alive. If you understand this, you already understand closures. Follow Coding with Chan for frontend concepts without the textbook pain.